So, hi everyone, it's Random Design, this time from the Solidworks World here in Dallas. This is the first time we can actually showcase our 3D printed Xwing here at the Sindoh booth. To finish the 3D design of our Xwing, it took us about 3 weeks to model everything. After we had the 3D model, we split the entire Xwing into 152 individual parts to fit on our print bed, and then we started printing. And just the print job took us about 2 months. And to give you an example, just one turbine here took about 56 hours of printing. After everything was printed, it was another 1.5 months to process everything, because it was our aim that you don't see that the Xwing is actually 3D printed. So we sanded down all the layer lines, assembled everything and filled in all the seams to make it look like one uniform body. After that we put on some color and did a quick weathering to make it ready for the show here. So what we still want to do, of course, we want to add more details for the paint job to make it look more rusty and more used, and also the motorization of the wings and the BBA. And of course, being a case model, we also want to integrate a computer inside. That's why we have a spare part here in the back where we will put the graphics card. In the cockpit will be placed the motherboard, and also in the front we have some space for putting the liquid cooling inside. And this is a printer we also have. It's a Sindoh 3DVox 2X, and all the parts for our Xwing were actually printed on one of those machines here. And this now is the new machine from Sindoh, the A1. It is an SLA machine, so it prints with liquid resin. And the resolution of those printouts you get from this printer is really, really nice. So they have some samples here, some dental stuff, and you can't see any visible layer lines. So unfortunately, this printer is not available yet. It will be released sometime in June or July. So we hope that we can definitely get our hands on this machine to print and produce some amazing stuff for our workshop.